There's big news in turkey land, and it's called heritage birds. These are old-fashioned breeds raised the way they were raised 100 years ago, and you end up with a turkey that's absolutely delicious. Now, a couple things that you can notice right away from looking at this bird. The legs are really much longer than they are on a conventional supermarket turkey. The keel bone is very high, and the breast is very narrow and really quite small. The modern turkey really dates back to the 1950s. It was bred to have a lot more white meat. But this is how the bird is in nature. Next up, pin feathers. Yeah, it actually had feathers at one point or other, and you may see some pin feathers that you can pluck out. A lot of fat. And this is probably the thing I'm most excited about because it makes the turkey delicious. Pockets of fat everywhere, 4 to 5 times as much fat. It's also got a lot gamier flavor. You can kind of see it through here that the meat is almost a bluish purple color because this bird was actually exercised. It actually got to run around, and it really makes a much tastier product. If you can find a heritage bird in the supermarket, I suggest that you buy it. Mary's is our top-rated heritage bird. It's really quite delicious. It's so much easier to cook a turkey if it starts out delicious. Now, if you can't find a heritage bird, I'm going to start with the thing I want you to avoid, which is an injected bird. You can see here on the label that it says it contains up to 8% and it lists a bunch of ingredients. And we found in our taste test, you're going to taste those ingredients and they don't make the turkey better. So you really want to look for a turkey that has nothing other than turkey in it. Anything that is antibiotic-free, free range, vegetarian fed, that's also a good thing. This is our favorite brand. This is Mary's Free Range. This Mary's Free Range is also a great option if your family likes white meat. It has a much larger breast than a heritage bird. Any brand, fresh or frozen, are pretty much the same. The only big difference is you're going to need to plan ahead and make sure to defrost that bird for several days. I know we think about cooking the turkey and that's complicated, but if you start with a better bird at the supermarket, it's going to be so much more delicious when you get it to the table. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching Cook's Country from America's Test Kitchen. So what'd you think?
Leave a comment and let us know which recipes you're excited to make, or just say hi.
Now you can find links to today's recipes and reviews in the video description.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
See you later.
Alligator.